So, our final story, this is a piece that you've written on why one Belgian national park is turning off pointless streetlights. Tell me more, Phoebe.
Love this story. And since I wrote it, I've been looking out for pointless streetlights all over the place. And there are a lot of pointless streetlights in life. So, on the one hand, there's not much human use for these lights. And secondly, they're in precious wildlife reserves, which are really important for nature. So, one study in France estimated that 2,000 billion insects are killed each year by public lighting. They either die from exhaustion or being eaten by predators. And more than half of insects are active at night. So some experts argue that light pollution should be treated as a pressure on nature that is akin to habitat loss or chemical pollution. And it's something that we don't hear about that much, light pollution.